Shop Wednesday. That one was better than last week. A little more energetic today. All's good. Look what we got going. We hit the old and at the under the microscope. I think it's kind of light. Kind of bright. Oh, there. Now you can see it. We got some gold going in. Got inlay cavities all cut. That's gonna be fun. I can't wait. There's lots going on with these guys. Lots of engraving in the steel. So yeah, it's good. Got a TCA project going on outside. We got interrupted and had a lot of excitement in the shop this week, and so I was hammering on that Monday, and we're progressing along. I'm gonna do a corkscrew, but it's got a contraption with it. It's like a reverse plier, so when you squeeze it, it opens, but that'll pull the cork out of the bottle. So that's kind of fun and exciting. I'll show y'all next week as I get going on it. I hope to get back on it tomorrow. It was only 106 today, so we'll see if it'll warm up a little more tomorrow, so it'll be better forging that way. I don't have to burn as much coal. The metal will already be hot. That makes sense? Don't laugh, Eli. Look, Eli's over there. Look at you. Say hi, Eli.
What's up, dudes?
He's drawing. He's working on some customer stuff too. He's in the designing stages, and it tend to be real easy in the designing stages. It's easy to be there when it's 106 degrees outside. So all's well. Look at that. Air conditioner's working. It's all good. Patreon's rolling. We're Eli and I've been doing lots on the Patreon. Did a little forging yesterday, and then what else is going on? Oh, next week, going to be at the Briscoe Museum in San Antonio on Saturday for Day of the Cowboy. So if y'all in the area, come see me. It'll be good times. Go hang out and talk shop. I'm going to take the old microscope and we're going to have it up on the TV screen, and it's all going to be cool. So y'all get to do me watch me do a little scratching on some steel, and we'll see how that works out. What else is motorating? Getting kind of excited. Got Grandmasters coming up in August. We'll spend 2 weeks in Emporia at the Grandmasters and at GRS in Emporia, Kansas. So that'll be fun. You scratch away on that and maybe learn some stuff. Go to school for 2 weeks. So I better get used to shutting up and listening, because that's what students are supposed to do. So we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, what else is rocking and rolling? We got anything else, Eli?
Well,
he don't know.
no, I really don't.
He don't remember.
No, I'm pretty sure that I just cheated over here way bad. I think I broke the rules bad.
Oh, he's drawing. He's telling me he's not good on the drawing. I've only yelled at him once today. All day. No, not sure. I'm kidding. All's well. We all have fun. I sure appreciate y'all following and listening and carrying on. So we will see y'all next week. I hope all's well. Adios.